Innovation for waste minimization.
This video demonstrates the support accessories for the Becca Little Squirt Waterborne paint gun cleaning system. We recommend certain accessories which speed up and improve the cleaning process. The Clean to Waste system has the Little Squirt, the water wave additive with microfilm, and a measuring cup. We also recommend a cleaning station with splash pad, tool tray, and cleaning brush, and our air kit, which has 2 air hoses with a blow-off gun and Power Clean high flow quick disconnect. The optional drum funnel has an extension so it can be attached to a drum not available from Becca for waterborne waste and still fit a cleaning station. To minimize waste, we recommend the Clean to Recycle system. It has all the items in the Clean to Waste system, plus it has the following recommended optional accessories: an electric heat tank with hand pump needed for recycling, and the Becca offline clarifier recycling system. And finally, we recommend the Becca H2O Dry waterborne waste drying package. You can check out our brief how to use videos showing these systems in operation. We also have a video showing H2O Dry and the clarification recycling process. The clarification process allows the cleaning solution to be reused indefinitely. In shops where hot water is not conveniently available, you can choose from 3 Becca heating systems to assure that the Little Squirt has heated water to mix with the Becca water wave additive with microfilm. The kettle heater will raise the water to a maximum temperature of 130 degrees in under 3 minutes. The standard electric heat tank system with hand pump and programmable timer heats up to 5 gallons of water using a heat band and preset thermostat. You simply fill the tank with water and add 1 bottle of Becca water wave additive with microfilm. You then have enough solution to fill the Little Squirt 16 times with heated water. The continuous electric heat tank system connects directly to your plumbing and assures a continuous supply of water heated to the proper temperature. We are interested in your feedback. Please call or email Becca anytime you have questions or comments about our products.
Innovation for waste minimization.